Last year, I got tired of this nutrient deficient soil, so I decided to rebuild it with grass clippings, cardboard, kitchen and garden waste, and I put her to bed for the winter with lots of fall leaves. Lasagnaed in place, no compost pile, no turning compost, no shoveling compost, no money spent. Now let's get into that spring reveal video. And you can see I'm starting to hit where I had dug all of this out originally, and I had put some hugelkultur. Well, first I put kitchen scraps, then I put some hugelkultur, and then I put a layer of cardboard because I was having ground mole issues. And then I started with grass. So everything that I mowed, I put into this, just this space alone. So this is the space that has the most concentrated soil rebuilding starting from last spring. And if you come over to the side a little bit, you can kind of see to where there are little segments or layers where it looks like all I did was just put down grass and let it go. So I'm glad that I can get at least 8 inches down. That way, if I want to plant tomatoes in here, or if I need to stake anything, I can get that through here. And look at how rich and lovely this looks, which is the opposite problem I'm having out in the tomato beds, and that will be the next project. This is to, oh yeah, look at how, oh yeah, clumpy that is. That's fantastic. Okay, well, I'm pretty happy with this. I really didn't do too much work on this. I guess maybe because I spread it out over all of summer and just kept adding to it as I had materials and putting it to bed with a layer of leaves that were all over the yard anyway. We have all of these leaves, and hibernating it with some cardboard, making sure it wasn't going to go anywhere with our nice big rocks. And I layered that cardboard up 2 or 3 sheets at the time and created some warmth in here. This soil looks really good to me, considering I did not pay one dang dime for this. All I paid for it was effort, time, and patience. And look at that. This is going to be fantastic. Yes, this is not broken down leaf mold, but I am going to mix this all up. And next year, it'll probably be even, I don't know, you think it'll be better than ever? Or do you think the nutrients is right here, since I took an entire year and this was absolutely vacant? There was nothing going on here. All I was doing was layering new soil. Okay, so I'm pretty excited, and I am going to keep going. Okay, so I'm also noticing that the pumpkin vines that I buried in here to decompose have not fully decomposed over the winter. I'm also noticing just how soft and fluffy this is. This has got a lot of air in this now. I didn't realize just how compact this was. And there's a lot of leaves right here. I don't know what's up with these birds. I used the top layer of some of those leaves to put into these containers to add a bit of hugelkultur. Worked out fantastic. But look at how good it looks already. It's very impressive. When I get everything dug out, I will take the dry leaves and put those in there. And then I'm going to spread the wet leaves over here so that the sun and the heat and everything that you know about nature will happen. and let them break down just a little bit more. Okay. Check out my Etsy shop, T-Shirt Gardening Company, featuring gardening, No Mow May, sewing, tiny house, Zen meditation designs. Link in box below. Okay, so all of that is done and that looks sensational. And I can definitely tell when I round the corner and I get over here to this area that it is quite different. It was not the rebuilding of soil. It really was just leaves on top. And this is I mean, look at this. This is normally how the soil looks. Ooh, yay! I love to see a worm. Isn't it cute? All right, let's put it down in a fluffy spot. Give it some good cover. And I'm gonna inch more over here so I don't clip them and stab them. Oh my God, this is about the thickest worm I think I've ever seen. Here. It's not the longest. Look at that. Nice. Hey guys, today is July 6th. I just moved this eggplant from off of this soil line. I started it here with some low soil that I actually purchased so that I could hide some lettuce and actually get it. But I was amazed at how nice and dark and black that soil is, that I took the time to rebuild, and that I had enough self-control not to plant here last year, because look at how well everything is doing in that nice, new, rich, vibrant soil, which was grass and leaves and kitchen compost. I have this eggplant in here, and you can see I need to be able to have some more airflow there. So I'm gonna move these pots possibly over there where Simone is, and then the other one down here. I don't know, but the point of this video is to show you you can rebuild your soil for $0. I did not have all this stuff. Use what you've got, whatever is free. Continue to use your grass clippings all summer long to aid in weed prevention, water retention, and to add nitrogen back into your soil. August 3rd, and let's see how well this soil did after I spent all last season revamping it. And it looks pretty good. This got overwatered. However, before it was full and green and bloomy and flowery and everything you want it to be before it got overwatered. All right, got a melon in here. I have plenty. Look at that. Look at that gorgeous sugar baby watermelon. Another one up here. Another one hanging straight in the middle of this trellis. I've got two smaller ones down here. I have two sets of twins actually. One's on that side at the bottom. And the other one is down here. Got a new baby starting right here. And if you notice, there's pepper all over here to keep the groundhogs away. And these peppers themselves are doing wonderful. They are up a little bit past these steps, which is sensational for peppers for me. So I would say the rebuilding, the leaves, the grass, the cardboard, the layering and lasagnaing of, I know, lasagnaing, I just made that word up, of all of the kitchen scraps just really did wonders. So pleased, you guys. What I do need to do is come around to this side and do it for the front of the house here, because I stopped right here at this pole. All right, that was absolutely, positively a success in remaking the soil. Absolutely free. All it took was time, layering, free resources, and patience. Just a quick video of a moment in time of this year's harvest I would like to share with you. No matter what video you're watching, that way you pretty much know I can grow some stuff. So let's start over here. Some of the smaller sugar baby watermelons, other are out there still maturing. Green beans that I am saving the seeds for, which are right here. Hilda, I will have a video on this. Sunflowers, obviously I want to keep the seeds for. I'm saving these bachelor button seeds back here. Also saving these Thai green frog finger seeds, video on that. Video on this. And here is this gorgeous, but more than that, delicious. Watch this video. All right, and Red of Florence, these torpedo-shaped scallions, super good. Sugar cube melon, look at how gorgeous and golden these are. They smell fantastic. If I just take my nose right here to the connection point, they are fabulously scented. This should be a shower gel right here. Black Crims, love them, absolute staple. Back here I've got some lettuce that I absolutely love, and I like to use decorative paper in here. Look at all those seeds I've got in here. And also next to it, these are just the initial drying. And then when I give it a couple days, I'll put it into the jar where there's a little less airflow. And then I'll go back out and get myself some more, start the process all over again. Look at these zinnias and this cute little girl. And here's the cut flower zinnias that I decided to make a little, somewhat of an arrangement from. In this super cute little kitty cat vase. Okay, and here is True Chartreuse melon. This was so good, you guys. And I've got it labeled. I've also got the original seeds, and I've got seeds from a couple years ago because, like what Phoebe says, it's always good to back up your backup. So that's what I like to do with seeds, and I like to label the year so I know what's up. These pumpkins, look how cute these are. I found a rotted out one of these pumpkins at the beauty salon. I thought, well, I would like to have those seeds, so I'm gonna go get those seeds. And various tomatoes from my harvest yesterday. This is the artesian mixed tomato. I'll have a video on this. They are so beautifully tie-dyed, and they come in two different shapes. A bumblebee and a teardrop. Generally cucumber, so prolific. I have a video on this as well. Video on this. Blue Beauty tomatoes. Look at this gorgeous blue shoulders on these, you guys. So let's have a brief little overview. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So this always becomes my little seed saving area, August, September, when I bring in all of the harvest of the tomatoes that are green. The weather's turning, they're always lined up here. My own art, those are my grandma's from like the 1940s or 50s. Love those. Alright, you guys, I thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you subscribe, that you like, that you comment, but more importantly, I would hope that you would get out and you would start to garden. We need some healthier food. We need also some beauty in the world. These gorgeous zinnias right here. Oh, so cute, you guys. In this area over here, I'm constantly burying compost in. Even throughout the winter, if I can actually dig in the soil, I'll bring my kitchen scraps out here. Alright, I hope that you guys will like and subscribe because I have way more videos to come. There's already 100 in there, ready for you to watch. I apologize for some of the earlier ones. But you know how it goes when you're first beginning anything. Alright, I love you so much. I hope that this has been helpful. You've got some knowledge out of it. Have a fantastic day. Thank you so much for watching, and I invite you again to subscribe, as I have been gardening for over 40 years and have a lot to teach, show, grow, review, experiment with, and my favorite, a specific variety everything deep dive. So let's try new things together, mix it up, and have a glorious day.